R.K. Narayanan is the best known for his fictional town Malgudi, where he portrays the ordinary life of middle class India with humor, irony, and deep philosophical insight. R.K. Narayanan was born 1906 and died in 2001. Indian novelist, short story writer, and essayist. So today we'll discuss the major novels of R.K. Narayanan in chronological order. So the very first one is in 1935, Swami and Friends, debut novel coming of age of Swaminathan, and it is about the school life, adventures, cricket, friendship, rebellion. Introduces Malgudi, part of Malgudi trilogy. The novel is the part of Malgudi trilogy. In 1937 came The Bachelor of Arts, and it is about Chandran's college life, love, disillusionment, and youthful idealism versus society, marriage, career. It is semi-autobiographical novel and it complete early trilogy. Now, it is a part of Malgudi trilogy. In 1938 came The Dark Room, and it is about Savitri, unhappy marriage and patriarchal oppression, women suffering, and escape from constraints. One of Narayanan's socially critical early works. In 1945 came The English Teacher, and it is also a semi-autobiographical novel. And here, Narayanan shows the teacher Krishna copes with wife Susila death, and theme is loss, marriage, education, spirituality, and Vedantic acceptance. In 1949 came Mr. Sampath, the printer of Malgudi. Mr. Sampath ventures in printing, cinema, journalism, and it is a satire on ambition, human folly, and chaotic life. In 1952 came The Financial Expert, and here Narayan described about Margeya, money lender, rises and falls. Theme is greed, materialism, family, and societal change, and it is a masterpiece of character study. Next came in 1955, Waiting for the Mahatma, and it is set during India's freedom struggle. And Sri Ram involvement in Gandhian movement is the major theme. Gandhian ideals versus reality, nationalism, growth, all this shown in this novel, Waiting for Mahatma. In 1958 came The Guide, and here the hero is Raju, a tour guide, becomes a spiritual Swami. Illusion, Maya, redemption, spirituality, love is the major theme of this novel, and it won Sahitya Akademi Award in 1958 and adapted into film. In 1961 came The Man Eater of Malgudi, and here the character is Vasu, a taxidermist. A taxidermist disturbs Malgudi's harmony. Now, mythical parallel, the Vasu is the mythical parallels of Vasmasur, and good versus evil is the major theme, comic yet profound, narrated by Natraj, the printer. The next story came in 1967, The Vendor of Sweets, and here the character is Jagan, a sweet vendor, and his westernized son Mali. Tradition versus modernity and materialism, spirituality, family is the major theme of this novel. In 1977 came The Painter of Science, and here Painter of Science, it was shown romance between Raman, sign painter, and Daisy. So major theme, modernity, population control, love, and changing values. A Tiger of Malgudi came in 1983 and told from the Tiger Raja perspective, and it shows the spiritual journey, human animal relationship, Guru Chela relationship, Buddhist Hindu undertones. Next came in 1986 Talk Active Man, and it is a satirical tale of talk active journalist and a mysterious visitor in Malgudi. In 1990, the world of Nagraj. It came, and Nagraj's quiet life and aspirations are shown in this novel, reflection on creativity and ordinariness. And finally came in 1992 Grandmother's Tales, and it is a late novella blending autobiography and family history, often seen as a capstone to his literary journey. So, R.K. Narayanan won Sahitya Academy Award in 1958 for The Guide, Padma Bhushan in 1964, Padma Vibhushan in 2000. Now, and Graham Greene helped him publish his early work. R.K. Narayan created the fictional town Malgudi, simple language yet profound ideas, humor, irony, and gentle satire, portrayal of ordinary middle class life in his novel. Influence of Hardy philosophy is seen in his novel. Objective narration is in his novel compared to Anton Chekhov. Common themes in his novel is tradition versus modernity, illusion versus reality, ordinary life versus extraordinary insight, Gandhian ideas and social change, spirituality and self-realization. Important short stories collection of R.K. Narayan is Malgudi's Days and Astrologer Days and Other Stories in 1947, Lally Road and Other Stories in 1956, A Horse and Two Goats in 1970, Under the Banyan Tree and Other Stories in 1985. Theology retellings is God, Demons and Others 1964, Ramayana 1972, the Mahabharata in 1978. Non-fiction work by him is My Days in 1974, autobiography, My Dateless Diary, a travel writing, Next Sunday, an essay written by him. So always remember for the exam Malgudi trilogy. Malgudi trilogy, in which the works are Swami and Friends, The Bachelor of Arts, and The English Teacher, which were three works. Swami and Friends, The Bachelor of Arts, and The English Teacher, and all three together called Malgudi trilogy. The Guide is the most important novel for exam. Focus on themes, characters, settings, and Narayan's style of writing. Compare with Chekhov for objective narration and portrayal of common people. Narayan shows my notion of God is of a cosmic spirit pervading all and everything.